Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this flip over with clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so this video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN, and they sent me 22 inches of their 3C4A clip-ins. I worked with CURLSQUEEN before and I loved their clip-ins, so I had to try some more of their hair. The first thing that came in their package was a detangling brush. I really love these type of detangling brushes, and they're really good for like getting all the knots out and just making sure the hair is tangle free. And then it also comes with this adjustable satin bonnet. And then lastly, they put extra clips in there. This is the hair after I washed and conditioned it. It was very soft. And again, this is the 22 inches of their 3C4A hair. I do have type 4 hair, so let's see how I blend my hair with these clip-ins. Nigga don't approach you with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it. So for my braid down, I decided to do 2 small braids in the front so I would have minimal leave out, and then in the back I just put my hair in 2 big braids and I pinned them to opposite sides. Okay, so this is how my braid down looks, and now I'm gonna start installing the clip-ins. So I'm gonna take the first track with 5 clips. I'm gonna peg-lace it downwards so the clip-ins can like hang in my face. So I'm gonna put it right behind my first braid. That's how the first one looks. And again, that was the clip with 5 clips. And then I'm gonna take another one with 5 clips and I'm gonna do the same thing but to the opposite side. Okay, so this is how the first 2 tracks look. I hope you guys can see that. And I put it under the braids so there isn't like a gap between the hair and my neck, if that makes sense. So now I'm taking a clip with 4 clips and I'm gonna put it in the middle part of the back of my head. And I'm putting it right on top of the braids. So this is how it looks. Now I'm taking another clip with 4 clips and I'm putting it in the middle on top of the clip that I just did. And this is how the hair looks with just 4 clips. 2 5 clips and 2 4 clips. Let's see how much I have left. I have 6 tracks left. 2 of them have 3 clips and then 4 of them have 2 clips. Well, first I'm gonna use the 3 clips and I'm gonna put those down, and then I'm gonna fill up the rest of the hair with the 2 clips. Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Okay, so this is how the clip-ins look. I tried to use the full bundle, but I didn't have enough space in my head, so I still do have 2 tracks left with 2 clips each. But the hair is pretty full. This is how it looks. I don't know, I might try to fit them right here, but we'll see. I'm gonna define the curls and then I'm gonna undo my leaf out and try to blend the hair.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone.
So this is how the hair looks after I put some mousse in it. And just so it can frame my face a little more, I'm gonna add some layers. I'm gonna start by trimming it a little bit. Not too much, but just like a little. Then I like to hold the hair like this. I like to gather like half of the hair and hold it like this. And then like I glide my fingers down a little bit to where the hair is starting to like break off. Well, not break off, but where it's starting to like fall back. And then I just cut straight down. I cut like this much hair off. And this is how the hair looks now, a little before and after. I didn't cut that. Okay, I cut probably like 2 inches off. And now I'm gonna frame my face a little bit. So I'm gonna get like the front half of the hair. And then I'm gonna do the same thing I just did. And I'm gonna cut straight down. So now it like frames my face. So this is how the hair looks after I layered it. And now I'm just gonna finger coil the hair so the curls can get more defined. And then I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my leave out.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We have it, that's all I'll show you something, give you more than words. We have it, that's all
This is how the hair looks after I defined some of the curls. And now I'm gonna start taking out my leave out.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I put the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
This is how the hair looks after I finger coiled it and blended my leave out. I only twisted this side up because I don't really do side parts on this side. I mainly just do them like this. So this is how the hair looks. It's very voluptuous and I really like how it looks. I ended up adding one of the 2 clip tracks right here where like the middle part was, and I clipped it facing like this way, and then I added the second one like in one of the gaps that was in the back of my head. So this is a full bundle, but again, it's not fully dry. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow to show you guys the final look after I tweak it and let it air dry and stuff. Okay, hey guys, I'm back, and this is 2 days later. I installed the clip-ins Sunday, and then today is Tuesday, I believe. So this is 2 days later, and this is how the hair came out. Overall, I really love the hair. I love how it came out. I love the fullness. I love the texture. I really just love everything about it. I'm gonna get into how I got the hair like this because it's kind of different from what I originally showed you guys. In the styling process I was showing you guys, I was finger coiling the hair, and the second day on Monday after the hair dried, it was like really scrunched up, and I didn't like how shrunken it was. So later that day I ended up re-wetting the hair, and I got some gel, and I ended up just raking my fingers through the hair, kind of doing the raking method. And so just going through the hair like this with the gel in it. For example, this, I got this section and it would have gel in it, and I just did this and I smoothed the gel down, and then towards the end I finger coiled a little bit, but only towards the end. So the roots are very elongated, and then the ends, you guys can see, are coiled up. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, this video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN, and this is the 22 inches of the 3C4A clip-ins. So if you want to achieve this look, then that's the texture you need to get, the 3C4A clip-ins. I'll have all the information linked down below, including their website and everything you need to know if you want to order this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.